Good morning, welcome back. 5:43 on your Tuesday morning. Starting off a little bit colder here this morning. We're at 15 degrees in Grand Junction right now. We have clear skies. We have calm winds, so wind chill's not much of a factor for us. And this is what we're feeling across most of the area with these temperatures and wind chills down into that territory here for us this morning. We are keeping things clear this morning. Yesterday we had cloud cover, and that does make a pretty big difference when it comes to our nighttime temperatures. When you have cloud cover at night, you tend to be a little bit milder. This is what we saw yesterday morning. When you have those clouds, it keeps any warm air from the day before trapped down at the surface. It almost acts like a blanket. Now you lose that blanket of clouds, you also lose the warm air. It radiates back up into space. That keeps it colder down at the surface. That's what we're seeing here this morning with those temperatures a good 10 degrees colder here for most of us. And there is just enough moisture out there where there are some frosty windshields out there this morning too. If you parked your car outside, may need an extra couple minutes to clear that off before you can hit the road this morning wherever you may be going. But outside of that, we are keeping things quiet, and we should stay that way here throughout the day today. We have high pressure in control over western Colorado, and that's keeping any active weather off to our north. A couple of storm systems back over Idaho and back off the Pacific coast, but both of these will track to the north here for the most part and leave us quieter here closer to home. Eventually this high pressure will break down and it'll allow a storm system to work in, but that one not even on the map for us just yet. It's still well off the Pacific coast. It'll get here later this week, leaving us quiet here for the next couple of days. Should stay mostly clear over western Colorado today. One exception, we will be watching that one storm system bring some snow to our far northern mountains, north of I-70 for the most part. Once it works its way a little further to the south, it works into that more stable air and it just fades out into nothing. So not expecting any unsettled weather here today or tomorrow for that matter. We still should keep things clear throughout our Wednesday as well. And those sunny skies, it will help us warm back up. Even with the colder start to the day, we still should push our temperatures back up above average for us. We're going to go 37 in Rifle today, 38 in Parachute, 38 in DeBeck, 37 Colburn, up to 42 in Delta, 38 in Cedar Edge, 40 in Montrose, 40 in Nucla, and we should be hovering right around the 40-degree mark in the Grand Valley today, 39 in Fruita, 39 in Grand Junction as well. Next couple of days, even warmer, 40 tomorrow, 41 on Thursday. I think Thursday will be the warmest day of the week for us, but it's also when we see our next storm system move in. Because of the warmer temperatures, our lower valleys like Grand Junction and Montrose probably going to start out with some rain showers during the day on Thursday. It will become a little bit more widespread going into Thursday night and Friday though, and as we cool things down, we will see that change over to snow. So we will be watching for the chance for some accumulating snow here by the end of the week. We should quiet things back down again as we head into the weekend. Another look at the forecast coming up in just a little bit.